So today I will be making some vegetable dish out of this. आमचो पणसाची भाजी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आनी ही जी रेसिपी आसा ती आमचे शेजारी प्रतीक्षान म्हाका सांगल्या and I'm thankful to her that my neighbor Pratiksha shared her recipe to me of this jackfruit in a vegetable style. So we cut this way. So see, this is coming down, and then we will cut this way. Cut it into two halves. So now I will apply little oil, cooking oil, for my knife, and I have worn some gloves, so you can wear some gloves, otherwise it will all come for this. And I will apply for this also, and then we have to, you will not get much out of it, but it is very delicious. So we'll cut it in between. Then we have to chop this out. And then we'll make an easy vegetable out of it. Very easy vegetable out of it. Okay, so and now we will cut off this skin. So we'll chop off this and it's done. Okay. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल एंड लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर this dish. This is jackfruit dish. Okay, so now we need 2 onions and 2 green chilies and few curry leaves, but before that we have to just crush all this because this is boiled. Okay, so I have boiled this in around 1 cup of water for around 10 minutes, and now I will show you what I will be doing. See, when my neighbor gave me this, we just loved it. It was like yum. That's why then I requested her to get me one of this jackfruit, the tender jackfruit, so I can also do and show for y'all. And actually just शेजारीन माझ्या आडून म्हाका पयलो तेणेन केलो आनी मागीर जेन्ना तेणेन म्हाका दिलें हें खावपाक हें डिश म्हाका एकदम आवडलें. सो हांवें ताका लागून तिये कडेन विचारलें कशें करपाचें. मातसो वावर आहा पूण एकदम टेस्टी, आनी तुमी हें करशात जाल्यार तुमकां हें आवडटलें. So like this only you have to do this for the full thing. Okay, same way. हे बरें धाडान घेयात. So हे सगळे हांवें धाडून घेतले. So here it is, all is crushed. Now we need 2 onions, 2 chilies, grated coconut, few curry leaves, and cumin and mustard seed. Okay, and little bit of garlic. Garlic is your option. So let's add oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, we will add our mustard seeds. So we'll add 1 and 2 of mustard seeds and 2 of cumin seeds. Now we'll add our onion. Around 8 of garlic flakes. Now we'll add our curry leaves. And our little bit of hing as a with So here it is. And then my chilies, and we'll add our salt. Okay, salt to taste. Okay, mix this all. Okay, now we will add this and we'll mix this well. So mix this nicely. And we will add very little water which we had boiled. So this is where I had boiled it. So I will add very little. Okay. Now we'll cover this, add coconut now, and cover this and cook for few minutes. So now I'll add my coconut. So coconut you take around big 2 tablespoons of that. Grated coconut, fresh grated coconut. And now we'll mix this. So I have not added turmeric powder because I want to give this natural color, and as I loved my neighbor Pratiksha's recipe, so I am doing exactly how she has told me to do, and thanks to Pratiksha Shetty, my neighbor, who has got some awesome recipes. So now I will cover this and cook this for really 5 minutes and it's done. Okay, just 5 minutes. Cover it and cook this for 5 minutes. And so here it is ready. तर हे जावन आसा आमची पणसाची भाजी आणि एकदम स्वादीक आणि बरी टेस्टी भाजी कोरात मातशें आनी खायात. मातसो वावर आहा पूण कितेंच तुमकां मेवचें ना अगर तुमी मातशे त्रास घेयना जाल्यार. सो hope you all will enjoy this jackfruit vegetable, and little bit effort is there, but you will get an tasty, yummy, awesome veg dish out of this. Thank you so much, and देव बरें करूं तुमकां.